Hello and welcome back to Fabio's Fabulous Reviews. I am Fabio and today we'll be doing a box opening for the 2023 Samsung Bespoke Jet Cordless Stick Vacuum with all-in-one cleaning station in midnight blue. We'll be doing this box opening and setting up, and let's go. At first, as you can see by opening it, we have styrofoam, some bubble wrap, some coverings, plastics, and it gives you a few instructions here on how to set it up really quickly. So after removing the first layer of styrofoam, underneath is the actual cleaning station. On display now we have the cleaning station, the Jet Dual brush. We have the digital inverter motor, and we have the long-lasting battery, which also includes three, count them, three vacuum bags, and we have the accessories that go attached to it. As for the motorized, it does come on this design, which is good for all types of floors as indicated in the instructions. So let's work on this together. First time setup, batteries connected. Press the power button. Set the language to start. We'll hit hold 3 seconds to set. Hold the plus button for 1, 2, 3, even count it down for you. Language set. The mid. Minimum. Max. Jet. As you can tell, handle's pretty cool. For some reason it has a trigger finger holder here. Now back to the actual display. When you do turn it on, it starts off at mid, but there's also minus min, and it tells you what lasts at this rate with the battery charge, not fully charged, straight from the box, 12 minutes. So if I do mid, it'll last me 5 minutes. If I do max, counts down, it only lasts me a minute. And I jet, about 30 seconds. So depending on the velocity you want to go, and the charge of the battery will let you know when it will run out. So the assembly of the vacuum stick is real simple. As you can see, there is connectors here. You connect it to the telescopic pole. Simple as that. If you want to remove it, simply just press the button and separate them. Again, connect like that. On the other end, you have the same concept, and you're able to utilize the motor to connect it also. If you don't want to use the motorized brush, remove it. Utilize the crevice tool. This one will be the brush tool, correction. And you have the crevice tool on this one. And again, simple. Press, pull, remove, insert, click, press, remove, insert, click, press, remove. Now, removal and cleaning of the Jet Dual brush is simple. Push here, pull out, and that's it. Real simple. The foam brush stays attached. Put it back, assemble, click, and it's good. Now make sure too that it's aligned when you are putting it in. As you can tell, it could be off and might not lock. So if you need to look at it from the bottom side up, it'll click in. So setting up the cleaning station is real simple. All you have to do is connect it to the power outlet. It'll make some noise as if it's setting up. Now you do have 7 feet of cable, which is good for if you have an outlet that's further away from where you want to install it. Mine is really close. There is no other thing you can do with that extra cable. You can't hide it anywhere. So it's something that's going to have to be fixed. It might be an eyesore for some. So placing the actual stick vac on the cleaning station is simple. Just bring it to the back. Make sure that you align it. And that is that. It's aligned. Here are the actual power connectors. Goes there. Batteries orange or amber. Pretty much came with 20%, 21% in the box. And that is that. Now, I will make you note something. If you have your telescopic handle down, there's a probability that it will not charge correctly or sit correctly. You can see the bottom, how it looks like. As I was stating, if you have the telescopic wand extended, it does not go into the groove of the actual setup, as you can see. So you need to make this small as possible, set it up, bring it down, and that way it's aligned perfectly all the way down. But you have to make sure the telescopic handle is all the way in. And again, 21%, amber light. That's what we have so far. As for the removal or installing of the dust bags, you notice on the sides I have little protruding tabs. Here also, nothing in the bottom. If you just pull on it simply, it comes out so softly. You have instructions on how to open and remove the dustbin. Real simple here. And that is that. Note, the box came with 3 dustbin bags, and with the 1 installed, that's a total of 4 that Samsung gives you with the purchase of this Bespoke jet vac all-in-one cleaning station with the color of midnight blue. Installing is simple. Just make sure it fits in the actual tabs, as you can see here. If not, I'm going to play with it for a little bit. As you can see, I'm doing now. It's not going in perfectly. Probably since it's the first time, it's going to require a couple of takes just to get it installed. So based on trial and error, pull it out. If you bring it in from the bottom and install it to the top, as you can see, it went in smoothly. Now it's only been about 5 minutes and I've gone up 2%. According to the actual instruction manual, it takes about 3.5 hours to fully charge. And I'll put there on the actual video the running times for each speed. Now, real simple, start and stop. If you want to empty out the actual canister, which obviously I haven't used, it's just simple press. So it sounds like it does it about 6 times. It sucks out all the dirt from the canister until it finally stops. My channel, again, this is the 2023 Samsung Bespoke Jet Vacuum all-in-one cleaning station in midnight blue. The next video will be an actual review of this item, since I just got it about an hour ago, and just a setup. I want to make sure you guys see what it's like, how to set this up, and some of the kinks that I found while trying to set this up. Any question, comments, please don't hesitate to comment. Please, if you can, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll try to give you better videos on the actual process of working with this item. Thank you.